6718 12th Avenue Northwest. I'm doing a camera inspection from the clean out on the southeast corner of the house in the basement. We're pulling back from the city main here, coming back through 6-inch diameter concrete pipe. When I get to about 80, I'm going to go locate it. It should be in the green strip. That's that erosion line going down the middle there with all the exposed rock on the bottom. I always tell customers it's like going to Wild Waves and there's sandpaper on the slip and slide. Locate this spot real quick. Pausing the recording.
In action.
Alright, that spot was located 5 feet deep in the planter strip on the other side of the sidewalk between the curb and the sidewalk. So we're going to keep pulling back from here. There's a little old root. And there's our 4x6 transition. So this is the 4-inch, that's the 6-inch under the stairs there. I'm trying to see that tie-in for the downspout.
Still see the distance on that?
Yeah, it's negative 18. I zeroed it out at our spot. It's just very pitted on the top. It looks like whoever, I mean, you guys said you only cabled once while you've been here?
No, we did an initial inspection 11 years ago.
I feel like whoever had this
a
before.
couple years ago, and I thought they scoped the snake, but I don't remember ever getting a video.
And then
It looks like this was
this-
snaked a lot.
this city came out within the last couple of years because they did some gas line work. And they
Hydromax came
yeah,
out?
Yeah,
exactly.
exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, they've been boring through a lot of people's sewers.
Great.
They fix it when they do it, though.
See what we're doing.
It looks like it kind of looks like a spiral going down. Like this has been cabled many times. So I think whoever had this before you guys cabled it all the time. Because I keep thinking it's a tie-in, but it's just
a groove.
it's just a pit. Yeah.
We're negative 30 feet.
So that's back from that spot in the planter belt. It should be right here somewhere. Huh. I wonder if because that, you can see now how that corner one in the front was rerouted into a PVC on the other side of the retaining wall. I wonder if there's like a French drain back there or something.
Yeah.
I don't see anything. Could also be where one of these roots are coming in. Huh. But even if
where's this one?
even that would be back here,
We're
back in
scrolling
the
at
plastic.
47, okay. Oh, it is.
But even if they rerouted it, they'd still have the old Y. So we're
Yeah,
missing something.
You don't think that they replaced this concrete, I don't know,
No,
50 years ago?
no,
Yeah,
no.
This looks super old.
This is very old. This is the original concrete. Because there would be
Where is that? Why?
It might be where one of those roots are coming in. I think we might need to go put a hose down it and see where the water comes in. Because if it's been draining this whole time, that means it's getting in here somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
But I mean, no, that's just another groove. Oh no, we're
Except
back
the
to
PVC
plastic.
right there.
So this black ABS, and then this is the clean out. Where the hell is that?
Oh, it's coming.
No, I know
Oh,
that.
yeah, I don't know where that is.
And then there's the bad boy.
Yeah,
You see?
that's what they did today.
That is the backside of the Y right out there.
Oh.
right here.
And they clean. That's it being as cleaned as they can because they can't direct the cable
Yeah.
backwards.
You know what I'm saying? You know, it's a Y. So when you
Oh.
stick the scope or the cable to, you can't do it that way. And so that's like,
So could we access it from that